Safety car in this lap. Safety car in this lap. Ito lang DRS.
Bakit? Bakit kaya?
Bakit nga ba?
Naka-safety car syempre.
Bakit nga?
Kanina pa yung DRS.
Safety car syempre.
Bakit?
You've got to give that position back, mate. We're
Kasi
in
bumangga
safety car
ako.
conditions and you can't overtake. Return the position.
Oh.
Oo, kalma.
In this lap, safety car
Hoy!
in-
Ayun na naman!
Make sure those tyres are up to
Oh my
temperature.
God,
The bonus
sisirain na
tires
naman yung
are
wing ko.
into the timing line.
Oh,
Stay
I
in
got...
position
Oh
until
my God,
reflex.
grabe naman
Turn the
yun.
position immediately or we're going to get penalised. There's no
Thank you sa
overtaking during the
penalty,
safety car
Masala.
period.
Thank you so much.
Uy, Gagi, hindi ko
Grabe.
sadya yun. Lumalayo ako sa dalawa din sa harap ko
min,
eh.
min,
Uy!
nag-whip ka pre. Uy!
Hoy!
Nagpapainit
Eh,
ako
di yan.
ng gulong eh.
May sarili kang line, ha?
Init. Sorry. Sumobra ako ng ano. Ayun, talaga sa...
Green flag.
Hoy! Uy, may pakpak na naman!
Kanin yun?
Uy! Thank you!
Gusto mong kumano? Ay, nako. Ewan ko ba?
Tatlo si Nargo.
Okay, no issues with tyre wear for now. Keep taking it.
Sa'yo na!